Hello students, today we are going to start next practical, that is TS of clove, TS and powder characteristic of clove. Okay, so clove belongs to the family Myrtaceae and it is mainly obtained from flower bud. Okay, flower bud of Eugenia caryophyllus. So before that, this is entire flower bud of clove. Okay, it mainly consists of style, stamens, ovary, columella, oil glands. So here you have to take two types of sections. First, that is passing through the ovary, and second one is passing through the hypanthium. This portion, that is ovary, and this one is hypanthium. This portion is hypanthium. So you have to take either from these passing through ovary or passing through hypanthium. So this is ovary, this portion is hypanthium. Okay. So exact difference between these two tears when we take the passing through the ovary and hypanthium is the only difference at the center of this tears. Okay. If we take the tears of passing through ovary, then it shows the ovary at the center, and if we take the tears passing through the hypanthium, it shows this central portion, that is called as a columella. So other, that is remaining parts of this TS are the same, that is epidermis, cortex, oil glands are present next to this, okay, cortex region particularly, and at the center it is ovary and columella. So this is overall morphological characters along with the exact difference between the TS passing through the ovary and hypanthium. Now we will actually take the TS, okay, of a clove. Please. Okay, now here this is a clove. Okay, these are available first, that is in the dried form. You have to first go for either as it is. Okay, you have to select the best quality of clove, then it soak overnight, okay, in the water, or you just go for the half an hour boiling, okay, so as to make it very soft. Okay, then from that you have to select clove. Okay, then slowly put on slides, then you use always, that is fresh, what, razor for every practical. Then remove here this portion, okay, base portion, then take TS, okay, then slowly transfer this TS into water. Okay, so like that you have to take number of, that is TS, transfer section of this clove passing through hypanthium. This portion is hypanthium. So either that is directly transfer, okay, or use your brush. See this. This is very thin. Okay. So like this, you have to take 5 to 6, that is thin sections of TS. Then from that you select a best quality of section, okay, and transfer into fluorogational HCl or staining agents, okay, use, and wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Then from that you transfer again this, okay, into water to remove excess stain, okay. Then you select this section, into clean glass slides, Okay. Then add 1 drop of glycerin to avoid dryness of this slide section. Flow. Glycerin is where? This is glycerin. Glycerin. This one. Then put a drop of glycerin. The use of glycerin, that is for to avoid dryness. Okay. Then slowly put cover slip without forming air bubble. Needle is not there. Okay. Okay. Then remove this excess, okay, of glycerin with the cotton, and then directly take this slide and go to the, here I use this cloth to remove excess, okay, but use here cotton generally. Then say under the microscope under 10x. Okay. So now here actually your now slide is ready, okay, for the microscopical characters. Now come to the on board for microscopical characters that is present in clo. In that there are mainly 3 portions. Okay, upper, middle and lower one. Upper zone, that is mainly contains cortex region. Here parenchymatic cells with 2 to 3 layer of glands, that is present here. This portion, that is a upper zone. Okay. Next one is middle zone. It contains vascular bundle. This red color, that is vascular bundle. And lower zone, this portion of this globe contains parenchymatous with air spaces. These are air spaces. Okay. And this last portion of this TS, it shows columella, parenchymatous cells, here rich in calcium oxalate crystals. So these are major, that is parts of TS. Upper one, that is epidermis, next to cortex. In cortex region, that is upper zone, middle zone and then lower zone. So these are 3 zones of TS, and this is passing through hypantheum because here is columella. Okay. So this is common characters or important microscopical characters present in clo. Okay. Now come to the point next, that is powder characteristics of clo. For powder characteristic, you have to either go for different staining agents. Okay. You use fluorogesnal HCl, picric acids, then Sudan red, fluorogesnal HCl, rhodanium red and picric acid solutions. Okay. After that, these are some important powder characters present in that. Here first one is oil glands. Oil glands, these are important. Okay, these are ovoid and schizogenous and found in all parts of that is drug. Next, that is parenchyma. Parenchyma, again it is very important. That is portion of the loose parenchyma with air spaces. That is, this is parenchyma. Next, that is anther. These are anther, fibrous layer of anther with reticulate cells. These are called as reticulate cells. And calcium oxalate crystals. Calcium oxalate crystals is parophytes. These are parophytes. So these are some important powder characters present in clo. So this is about what TS and powder characteristic of clo. Okay. So here I think now you clear how to take the TS of clove and how to perform the powder characters of clove. Okay, I think now all of you that is well know or understand how to that is perform this experiment. Okay, thank you for the listening.